Hey guys, welcome back to another very interesting tutorial. So in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to check the spelling and grammar mistake on MS Word. So first of all, want to open MS Word, and after opening it, I'm just going to create a new blank document. And for checking the spelling or grammar mistake, you just need to type something. And for checking the spelling mistake for the sentence, here on the top, you can see here many options, and here is an option. You can see here review. Click on that. And here is the first option. You can see here spelling and grammar mistake. Click on that. And then you can see that the spelling mistake word here. So here on the right, you can see that the word with the spelling mistake and the correct word. From here, you can just correct it by checking there. And then you can see that you had been correct your spelling mistake on M's word. So that's it for this quick tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and the subscribe button for more such quick and very interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.